Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Anki with me. So, my review queue is just getting bigger. So we're gonna start at the top. No, actually we're not gonna look at my dating deck because that's private information, you know. You gotta keep your tricks secret. Let's start with the training one. And you saw the background, didn't you? We got a new background. This is a new feature in Ocean to Anki coming soon. It's on the dev branch, but hopefully we'll deploy it. Vad är zone 3? Zone 3 är 72,5% till 77,5%. Totally wrong. Zone 3 är nej, 77,5% till 82,5%. No, 82,5 till 82,7. Nej, 82,5 till 87,5. Oh yeah, starting to remember. The percentages are so cryptic, you have to practice. That's art. So I'm trying to become better at Patreon, so I have, link in the description if you want to support me on Patreon. No, I forgot, I don't remember that. My cards are too long. I just copied and pasted them from a document. Again, join me. Yeah, that was good enough. Exclusive at. I have to practice this. Make it raw, not perfect. Patrons, grow your business. Bam. And we have integration, of course, so you can engage with your friends you love. Oh yeah. Now we're getting to the big stuff. Flex display. No, flex direction. BSR. Bam. Text decoration style. Border left. Font size. I keep pressing enter, but I should just use space. Background. Background attachment. Text decoration. Oh, sorry, I did that too fast. Text decoration. Text emphasis. Bam. BGC. Background clip. TEC. BGO. No. BGI. BGP. BG. Good. Column gap. Actually, let me set a timer. I totally forgot that. How much time do we have? I'll set the timer to 10 minutes. We'll do 10 minutes and we'll wrap up. Column gap. I think it's good to set time limits on your review so you get through it fast. I don't know. BCL. Radius bottom. RDBR. RD. Border width bottom. Oh, border bottom width. Text emphasis style. Row gap. GAC. Text transform. GTR. Yeah. GTC. Runteft. Gap. Thinking about the game. BGO. Oh no, that seems weird. Yeah, it's actually right. Okay, that was hard. Let's make hard. I usually just pick good, but GRG. Background repeat. CG. RD radius TR. Yeah. Background image. Background column. No, background color. Grid column gap. BCB. Grid area rows. No, that was auto rows. Okay. I mistake them. LS. GA. Grid column start. I just have some coffee here so to keep myself. GR. GC. GCG. Grid auto flows. Yeah, that was right. BXS. Grid template column. Columns, it's plural. BGS. GTA. Grand Theft Auto. Grid template rows. Grid column end. Radius right. RDBR. Background position. Border left width. border color, grid row end, GRS, border width, GRT, border left style, FLB, FLD, this one is hard, BDB, yeah. GAR, border top, border bottom color, BRC, let's see how much time do I have left. Still have 7 minutes something. BSB, let's try to get through this line height. RG, border right, BST, BGA, border top width, grid row gap, background size, align items, justify, align content, grid template areas, align content, align self, justify items, O, H, CI, suffix. No, suffix is yes, it is suffix, because prefix is the other way around. Yeah, good. White space, align content, justify content, overflow Y, OFA, box shadow, overflow, justify self, align items, GCE, align content, grid row start, RDTR, RDBR, RDR, user select, letter spacing, PE, grid template, grid row end. No, that was grid row. Undo. Let's see. GCS, JC, PT. I'm falling out. It's probably padding top, but let me add some background music. You can't hear it, but you will hear some other music. I need to use copyright-free music on the stream, right? So, padding top, GRE. Let's get through this queue. GS, G, height, M, bottom, yeah, bottom, height, L, PT, justify, align items, oh, justify content, JAS, MB, US, AC, PX, PR, Z index, Z dash index, MX, yeah, sorry, that was too fast. Content at before. We have 4 minutes left. Grid area, GAF, OFY, R, overflow X, align items. Sorry, that was I'm hitting the keys too fast. I need to slow down. T, WS, O, that was wrong. A, I, margin bottom, display, JA, JAC, color, POS, margin right, PB, padding left, BW, written, organized. Tell me the how. Okay, the why. What's that is for M-Y. Okay, 2 minutes left. Width. I think I'm gonna continue doing some reviews on my phone and then maybe add that to the video. Size. Position. MB. ML. C. MT. Still have a lot of coffee left. I have to leave soon. ML. Let me chug this down. Padding bottom. PY. P. MR. Padding right. PL. Font family. Justify items. Oh, sorry, that was too fast. Font weight. Radius. No, right. PL, PR, PX. No idea. Is it tween? Yeah, that's tween. Opacity. Prefix. Grid area columns. This one is too hard, let's move on. Still have 58 left. And we have 50 seconds left. Okay, come on. We can do this. Flex direction. Grid column. G. BG clip. Radius bottom. Border. Bottom right radius. Yes. RDTL. I don't know. We'll just have to skip those. Border right color. BGR. And how many seconds left? 12 seconds left. No idea. Transform origin. Border radius. Yeah, I think I need a break. And the timer went off. So, yeah, I'll sync this to Anki web and then we'll continue on my phone. So, clip. So hopefully this works. So I thought I would take, like the video you guys are probably watching is Anki with me, so you have the desktop and then the phone examples. But I wanted to stop for a moment and look you in the face, in your eyes, and tell you, you can do this. Challenge your limits. If you're struggling to use Anki consistently, try to set aside 15 minutes every day.
or every weekday. Just pick a schedule that works for you. It doesn't have to be every day. Ideally it should be every day. Come on man, you don't want to break the chain. You can get all of the rectangles, you know, just install GluteAnimate's plugin. But if you can't do it every day, at least try to find a schedule that's consistent. Like maybe 3 times per, 3 times. So it should work. It's a good number also. So good luck, my friend. I know you can do this. Challenge your limits. And join the Discord if you need some motivation. I'll motivate you personally. I'll send you messages. Come on, you can do this. Get down to Anki. Of course, you guys knew it. I forgot to say it. Please hit the like button. Smash it. Smash the like button. I know you can do it. I believe in you. And then also hit the subscribe and the bell icon, you know, everything, the jazz. And yeah, thanks.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Anki with me. And today we got music. We figured out, I think we got music. Don't we have music? No, we don't have music actually. That's weird. Test. Yeah, so for some reason there is